Hey guys, today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys some Valentine's Day DIYs and decor ideas that I created with Dollar Tree products. So for the first decor idea, I'm going to share with you guys how you can decorate apothecary jars with items from Dollar Tree, Valentine's Day items from Dollar Tree. These apothecary jars, I actually made them with Dollar Tree products on my channel, so definitely check that out if you want to see how I made them. They're all Dollar Tree product items and stuff that I also had on hand from a leftover things that I had at the house. So what I'm going to do is for the smaller kind of fatter jar, I'm going to decorate it and fill it up with different size foam hearts. They have a bunch of different foam hearts at Dollar Tree, different sizes, different colors. I'm doing different shades of pink for mine, but they do have red ones as well. So you can go with whatever color scheme you're going to go with. But I like doing different sizes because it gives it more dimension when you're filling up the jar, as opposed to filling up the jar with just an item that's all the same size, which you can do that as well. But I just feel like it adds a little bit more dimension and more I don't know, just more style to it when you can do different items with different, you know, the same items but different kind of sizes. So I'm just alternating different sizes to make sure that I make it very even. I only have two of the big foam hearts, so I'm going to use those in the middle, but I just alternated it until it was the way that I want it to. So you really can just throw them in and they kind of like look nice just being thrown in, but there is certain times where kind of some fell upside down and I wanted to fix it, so I turned it around. But basically you just keep adding it in and just shape it to however you want it. Now for the tall skinny apothecary jar, I decided to decorate those with the foam flowers that Dollar Tree has. You can get different colors. I believe it's like 6 to a pack, and so I have the 3 different colors that I like. I haven't seen red, but I saw this peach color, this pink color, and this white color that I had from last year, so I decided to alternate with those different colors. And you just spread the flowers open so that they look nice and kind of like fill up the jar, and then stack them up as you want. And I feel like this just looks pretty as is. And then to decorate this, I also use this tray that I got from Walmart. It's just a tray, I think it was like around $1. It's like a little serving sampler tray. And I love to put my apothecary jars on some type of tray or a book or something. And so I put it on this tray. Like I said, it was from Walmart. And then I felt like it needed something, so I decided to put this wooden heart that I actually created on my channel as well. Is one of the Dollar Tree wooden hearts, and I just put it in the middle to decorate with it. And I just think this is so cute. It looks very high-end, but it's all things from Dollar Tree and one thing from Walmart that was like around $1. So I love how, you know, you could just take things from Dollar Tree and make it like a high and elegant look, but not spend so much money on it. Now, a lot of you guys really liked my clear vases Christmas decor DIY video, especially this one. You really like this DIY. This one was one of y'all's favorite, so I wanted to recreate it for Valentine's Day. So instead of having a red charger, I got a gold charger. Again, this is from Dollar Tree. The chargers come in so many different colors, and I'm going to use the same vases that I had from the previous one. The good thing about this is that I used hot glue to glue it down, so you can easily pull it off and reuse your vases so that you can save money. If you want to keep them down, I suggest you put another glue, but if you just want to reuse the vases and just pack up the flowers and the plate, then you can just use hot glue. Now the flowers that I'm going to use are these flowers that I got from Amazon. These are peonies, and they're like 8 packs. I have a link for them. I will link it down below if you want to get it. My daughter recently had her quince this past summer, and so I bought these peonies, I think that's how you say it, flowers for her centerpieces for all the tables. So I had so many of these flowers left, and I wanted to reuse them, and I knew that these would be perfect to use for Valentine's DIYs and to decorate my house for Valentine's Day. So you will see these flowers in a lot of the DIYs and the decor ideas I'm going to share with you today. So like I said, I'll have the link down below to these flowers, but you get 8 bunches for I believe around $30. I'm not sure. You know, sometimes the amount changes, but it's still a good deal because these flowers come with so many details to them. They're so beautiful. They look so lifelike, so they really are worth the money. But you can also use Dollar Tree flowers and greenery as well, which later on in this video you guys will see where I use some Dollar Tree flowers and greenery that are beautiful as well. I just had a lot of these on hand from the birthday party, so I wanted to reuse them, but you can use whatever flowers you want, and there are some beautiful ones at Dollar Tree as well. And this is how this DIY came out. This is so beautiful, and you can use it again to decorate your home for Valentine's Day or all year round. This will be perfect for weddings, perfect for birthdays, quinceañeras, any type of party. You can take this idea, change up the flowers, change up the greenery, any style you want, and you can use it for multiple things. Another Christmas decor idea that you guys liked a lot was this one right here. So I want to recreate one for Valentine's Day. Now, when it comes to the Christmas ornament balls, you can actually take this idea and maybe do the Valentine's Day foam hearts and add them to the glass and do that as well. But for this one, I kind of want to just have a clear glass for Valentine's Day. So I'm taking these florals right here, these roses and this greenery that I share with you guys in my Dollar Tree haul, and bunch them together. I kind of already arranged them and put them in here and give it that clear glass look. I feel like it looks more high-end and more going with the pinks, but again, you can use the foam hearts if you want to. Then to style it, I just put it exactly the same spot that I had last time where I had the Christmas decor, but I used a different candle, a bigger candle from Mainstay from Walmart, and I got it in like the pink decor so that it can go with all the pink stuff that I have. And then I just added this little wooden heart DIY that I made a long time ago on my channel, just to kind of be in the front of the vase, so it kind of covers up a little bit of the clear part but still kind of shows the greenery of the stems. And I just like how this came out. It's really pretty, and I love how it it looks in my kitchen, but you could put this anywhere in your home as well. Here is a quick and easy Valentine's Day decor DIY that you can create. Just get one of these gold candle holders from Dollar Tree. They have a bunch of different colors, but I love gold for Valentine's Day. Like I said, it goes great with pinks. Grab one of these white candles, and then you're going to grab a pack of these sparkling hearts that come in red and pink, and you're just going to attach them to the candle. Now, I wouldn't use hot glue on the candles because it will melt the candle, so I'm just using tape. The tape that I'm using is actually the Dollar Tree Scotch tape, which didn't hold very well, so I had to get the actual Scotch tape, and it held better. So all I did was use tape, or you can use some tacky little tacky poster boards for it as well, and just stick it onto any candle. You can use a real candle, you can use a fake candle, but stick it onto any candle, add it to a beautiful candle holder, and it looks so nice. And as you can see, it's on my shelves in my kitchen, looking really pretty, but you can put it anywhere in your home. But this is a simple way that you can take the candles that you have in your house and just remake them for Valentine's Day. These vases right here, you can get them in the Dollar Tree Plus section for $3. They're bigger than the other vases, and this is the ones that I use for my daughter's centerpieces for her quinceañera with these exact flowers. And I wanted to share with you guys how I arranged it, because I decided to take them and decorate my house with them. Like I said, I had about 12 tables, I can't remember, but I had so many tables with all these centerpieces that I was going to reuse these flowers and these vases. So I wanted to share with you guys how I arranged them and how I put them in my home. So I put some on the shelves in my kitchen, in my dining room kitchen, and it looks so pretty. You can also put this in your living room, you could put this in your bedroom. There's so many different places that you could put this at. I love the shape of this vase. It looks very elegant and high end. Again, it's $3, and it's actual bigger size than most of the Dollar Tree vases. I also put it in my bathroom as well to decorate, and it came out so pretty as well. So you could take these vases, these flowers, or any Dollar Tree flowers, kind of arrange them this way. So I just kind of wanted to give you the idea of how I did it. So it's another decor idea for you guys. So if you guys have been following me for a while, you guys saw on my channel that I made this book side table for my daughter's room. She is so obsessed with books, and so I got all these books from Dollar Tree and created a side table. Now that she's older, her style has changed, so she didn't want this side table anymore, so I wanted to reuse these books. So I took a couple of these, and I've been making book decor over the years. So for Valentine's Day, I wanted to take some of these books, 2 of these books actually, and I actually painted them 2 different color pinks, and I wanted to make some beautiful book decor with these books. So I only painted the size that you are going to see, because there's no point in me wasting paint, and then I glued them together with just some hot glue, and then I'm going to wrap them with some ribbon. I'm going to use gold ribbon because, like I said, I love gold and pink together, so I'm using gold ribbon to wrap around it, and I got this ribbon from Dollar Tree, but you can use whatever color you like. And then I'm going to take those same flowers that I told you that I have so many left over from the birthday, from the quince, and I'm going to add some flowers to the top of it. This DIY, I have to say, is one of my favorites. It's so simple and easy to make, but it looks so beautiful, and you can use it all year round. You don't have to use it just for Valentine's Day. I think it goes great with any decor for your bedroom, for the living room, anywhere. So I really like how this one came out. So if you have any books on hand that you want to remake, or you want to get some from Dollar Tree for $1.25, this is definitely a DIY to create for your home for Valentine's Day or all year round. And that is it for today's video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below which DIY or decor idea was your favorite, and stay tuned for my next video. Will be my clean and decorate with me for Valentine's Day video, where I will share with you guys more of my home and how I decorated it for Valentine's Day, but also give you guys some cleaning motivation as well. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out, and check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.